A blessed day, learners. It's me again, Teacher Lumaban, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated in my videos. This time our topic will be on general science exercises, set 3A. I hope you learned something and enjoy this video. Please share it with your friends to also learn about this topic. Be safe, and God bless you always.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
What made it possible for some insects or animals to walk on the water surface? Letter A, surface tension. Letter B, surface adhesion. Letter C, surface capillarity. Letter D, dense water surface. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, surface tension. The cohesive forces within liquid molecules are liable for the phenomenon identified as surface tension. The molecules at the covering do not have different molecules on any sides of them, and consequently, they cohere more firmly to those directly linked with them on the surface. It forms a surface film, makes it more complicated to move an object through the surface than to move it when it is completely submerged. It is a society of interacting plants, animals, and humans in an appropriate area. Letter A, food chain. Letter B, environment. Letter C, living organisms. Letter D, ecological community. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, ecological community. An ecological community is a society of 2 or more different species occupying the same geographical area at the same time, also known as a biosynosis, biotic community, biological community, or life assemblage. It is the process of rising in temperature in the environment due to the excessive presence of carbon dioxide in the air trapping heat on the Earth's surface. Letter A, El Nino. Letter B, La Nina. Letter C, pollution. Letter D, greenhouse effect. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, greenhouse effect. A greenhouse effect is a process in which radiation from a planet's atmosphere warms the planet's surface to a temperature beyond what it would be without this atmosphere. Radiatively active gases in a planet's atmosphere scatter energy in all directions. What is the Earth's shield against the Sun's harmful radiation? Letter A, air. Letter B, clouds. Letter C, ozone layer. Letter D, atmosphere. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, ozone layer. The ozone layer or ozone shield is a region of Earth's stratosphere that receives most of the Sun's ultraviolet radiation. It contains a high concentration of ozone, O3, concerning other parts of the atmosphere, although still small concerning other gases in the stratosphere. The use of products with blank is discouraged because they contribute to the depletion of blank. Letter A, gas, ozone. Letter B, ozone, air. Letter C, CFCs, ozone layer. Letter D. CFCs, solar radiation. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. CFCs, ozone layer. The use of products with CFCs is discouraging because they contribute to the depletion of the ozone layer. An ozone hole is not a hole but rather a thinning of the ozone layer in the stratosphere that changes seasonally. Once in the atmosphere, CFCs drift slowly upward to the stratosphere, where they are broken up by ultraviolet radiation, releasing chlorine atoms, which can destroy ozone molecules. Which of the following gases in the air is present for the brass to get discolored? Letter A. Oxygen. Letter B. Nitrogen. Letter C. Carbon dioxide. Letter D. Hydrogen sulfide. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. Hydrogen sulfide. The brass alloy is composed of a combination of zinc and copper. Brass does not react with oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Because of the presence of hydrogen sulfide, the brass discolored in sunlight. Because the presence of a mixture of hydrogen and sulfide and brass, which has a very light color and combines with hydrogen sulfide, leads to non-temperature, hot and cold temperature type, so it becomes discolored. Hence, brass gets blemish in the air because of the presence of hydrogen sulfide. What is the unit for measuring the amplitude of a sound? Letter A. Hum. Letter B. Cycles. Letter C. Decibel. Letter D. Coulomb. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. Decibel. A decibel is a relative unit of measurement corresponding to 1/10 of a bell. It uses to express the ratio of one value of a power or root power quantity to another on a logarithmic scale. A logarithmic amount in decibels is called a level. Which of the following choices used as a moderator in a nuclear reactor? Letter A. Radium. Letter B. Thorium. Letter C. Graphite. Letter D. Ordinary water. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. Graphite. Graphite, archaically attributed to as plumbago, is a crystalline form of the element carbon with its atoms arranged in a hexagonal structure. It happens naturally in this form and is the most stable form of carbon under standard conditions. Under high pressures and temperatures, it transforms into a diamond. What is / are the essential raw material, S, required in the cement industry? Letter A. Clay. Letter B. Limestone. Letter C. Gypsum and clay. Letter D. Limestone and clay. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. Limestone and clay. The raw materials essential in manufacturing cement are limestone and clay. The limestone rock extract from the quarry, then grind and undergoes initial crushing before being reduced to a fine powder. The raw materials, 80% limestone and 20% clay, are then stored in the pre-homogenization pile. This mixture is called the underdone mixture. Which of the following choices is a nonmetal that remains liquid at room temperature? Letter A, helium. Letter B, bromine. Letter C, chlorine. Letter D, phosphorus. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, bromine. Bromine is a chemical element and a nonmetal that remains liquid at room temperature. It has the symbol Br, also atomic number 35. It is the third lightest halogen and is a fuming red-brown liquid at room temperature that evaporates readily to form a similarly colored vapor. Its properties are intermediate between those of chlorine and iodine. What is the indication in the reading of a going down barometer? Letter A, snow. Letter B, storm. Letter C, rainfall. Letter D, intense heat. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, rainfall. In the barometer, when the air is dry, cold, and pleasant, the reading rises. A rising barometer means improving weather. A falling barometer means there will be rainfall. When atmospheric pressure drops suddenly, this usually indicates that a storm is on its way. Which among the following choices is a positively charged particle that emits by a radioactive element? Letter A, beta ray. Letter B, alpha ray. Letter C, gamma ray. Letter D, cathode ray. Please choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, alpha ray. The alpha particles, also called alpha rays or alpha radiation, consist of 2 protons and 2 neutrons bound together into a particle identical to a helium-4 nucleus. It is generally produced in the process of alpha decay but may also build in other ways.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I hope you enjoyed, learned something new about our topic on the general science exercises, set 3A. If you learned something in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to also learn about this topic. If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, you can leave a message in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos, hoping that we meet again in my next blog, and God bless you always.